It's all being renovated.
New grass on 2 playing fields will welcome soccer and lacrosse players this fall at one of Frisco's parks.
That's going to create a nice level playing surface for the players. Safety is a priority for our department. That means having a field that is well leveled, well graded, and maintained.
2 sports fields at Harold Backus Community Park are getting brand new sod.
The crews began by removing the old grass that was there from initially being installed in 2007.
Then the contractor graded and leveled the fields before rolling out the new turf.
These are the rolls of sod that's been brought in. They're going to use their heavy equipment, and a lot of this is laser guided. They will pick up this sod, have a few crews lining it out. They will lay it out, and then it will be top dressed with some sand and leveled.
Fields 11 and 12 on the northeast corner of the park are used for both practice and games.
Fields heavily used, yet wear and tear. When it comes to soccer, when it comes to lacrosse, they use cleats on the fields, and it created an unstable playing field.
Replacing the grass will create level fields for the players.
We look for the best material for our fields, and we're hoping that this will work in terms of compaction issues and grading. This might be the best quality sod out there in the DFW area.
The new turf covers about 4 acres. It cost about $210,000, which was budgeted in this year's general fund.
We love seeing this field being renovated and ready for play once the grass is established.